Hello children, here I am sharing class 7 mathematics, Telangana board paper, April 2022. So these are all the questions. Here the questions are divided into 2-mark questions, 4-mark questions and 8-mark questions. Let's see the paper. So these are the first 4 questions which carries 2 marks. In this paper 2, page number 2. Measure of x, you need to find out without actually measuring them. Algebraic form of 5 is subtracted from 2 times of x. So drawing symmetry, axis of symmetry. So up to 7 questions, there are 2-mark questions. These are all 2-mark questions. Now section 2, we'll see section 2, each 4 marks. So out of 12,000 voters in a constituency, 75% voted. Find the number of people who did not vote. So we need to find out 25% of the people are how much. And divide 20 apples in the ratio 2:3, which are shared between Navya and Bhavya. Next, circumference of the circle they have given. You need to find out the radius. 1215 exponential form we need to put up. Next, triangle angles are given. You need to find out the x first, then find all the angles, all the 3 angles. In a right angle triangle, one of the acute angle is doubled, the other acute angle, double the other acute angle, find them. So 2 angles you need to find out. So let's see page number 3. So this is section 3. Each carries 8 marks. You will have here internal choice for each and every question. So this is from area and perimeter. Length of the rectangle is 3 more than its breadth, and its perimeter is 54 meters. Find its length and breadth. An empty swimming pool is to be filled up to 9/10 of its capacity. Pump takes half an hour to fill 1/10 of the pool. How much time it will take to fill? Next, this is a parallelogram question. They have given 2 sides of the parallelogram, AB 20 centimeters, AD 24 centimeters. You need to find out their altitudes, DE and BF lengths from this diagram. Next, construct triangle ABC whose sides AB is equal to 5 centimeter, BC equal to 6 centimeter, angle B equal to 70 centimeters. And subtract the sum of. So first you need to find out the sum of these 2, and that sum you need to subtract from this. Next, this is just a simplification question given for 8 marks. Very easy question. And these are the 2 bar graphs which are having internal choice. Any one you can attend. Draw the bar graph for the following data. So this is what 70 marks paper. Let's see the big paper which is for 10 marks. So number of integers between -3 and 3 you need to write. So -3 and 3, in between -3 and 3. So -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 will be there. So how many we have? So total 5 numbers. So option is C. Equivalent fraction of 3/4 is. So you can check here options. So here the first option itself showing that when 3/4 is multiplied, we'll get 12/16. So this is option A. 4/3 is not an equivalent fraction. It's a reciprocal of this. 16/12. First of all, 16 is not a multiple of 3. So it's not equivalent fraction. And Of course, 1 is not an equivalent fraction of the given fraction. Next, question number 20. Sum of angles are 90 degrees, then they are called as complementary angles. If two angles are 90 degrees, sum of the two angles are 90 degrees, we call them as a complementary angles. So dash are the possible measurements to construct a triangle, they asked. So from these four options, we need to pick a correct option. So we have a property that sum of the two sides of a triangle should be always greater than the third side. So if we add these two sides, 3 plus 3, 6. 6 is not greater than 6. So this is a false. Okay, it is equal to. If we add 6 plus 6, so this is 12. 12 is not greater than 16, third side. So this is also false. Here 5 plus 5, two sides I have added. So 5 plus 5 gives you 10. 10 is greater than 5, of course. So same as well if you do. So option C can form a triangle. Next. In a proportion A is to B is equal to C is to D, then which satisfies? A is to B is equal to C is to D means we can write it as A by B equal to C by D. So which is nothing but AC by BD. So that is the option A. Next, a bar graph are used to represent frequencies. A bar graph circles, squares, rhombus, rectangles. So bar graph contains always rectangles which are used to represent frequencies in the form of rectangular bars. So 4 is subtracted from 5 times p expressed in algebraic form. So 5 times p is 5p. From that 4 is subtracted. So minus 4. 5p minus 4 always. So many children will get confusion with the A and B options. So it is clear here. So 5 times of p is 5p. 4 is subtracted from 5p. So option D. Next, the total surface area of the earth they have a given square kilometers. Express the above number as a simplest form. So simply you have to put up in the exponential form. So how many zeros we have after 51? 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros we have. So the option is 51 times 10 to the power of 7 square kilometers. Next, area of a rhombus formula. Just they asked a formula. So when diagonals are given, a half into d1 into d2. This is the formula of area of a rhombus. Letter which has axis of symmetry. FB don't have axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry means if we draw a vertical or horizontal line, it should be the same. It should make two equal halves. So FB can't do that. Even the horizontal or vertical we can't do. Even G we can't do. J also not. So H is the option. H you can have a horizontal also, vertical also. So it is having two lines of symmetry. So option D and the letter H. So this is what the paper. So let's see the solutions of this paper now. First one, 2 mark question, section 1 I am saying. So they have given compute negative 30 minus of negative 25. So negative 30, negative times negative is positive 25. So answer, unlike symbols are subtracted. So 30 minus 25 is 5. Greater number sign follows. Here greater number is 30. 30 is having minus symbol. Next, question 2. Name all the possible line segments which are given as A, B, C, D. So all possible line segments. With A we will write first. AB is a line segment. Next AC, AD, Next we will write with a B. BA already written here, BC, BD. Next we will write with a C. CA already written, AC and CA are same. CB already written, BC. Next CD. So these are all possible line segments. Next, question number 3. Which one is greater? So many children got confused with this question. Which one is greater? 2/5 of 4/7 or 3/4 of 1/2? In mathematics, of terms refers as a into. So 2/5 of means into 4/7 or 3/4 of means times 1/2. Let's, any cancellations are there? No. So multiply the numerators. 2 4s are 8 over 5 7s are 35. And 3 1s are 3 over 4 2s are 8. So we can't decide which is greater here. So let's equalize the denominators by LCM, by taking the LCM. So we can compare the numerators. LCM of 35, 8. There are no common factors, right? So 35 times 8 gives 280. So LCM is 280. So in the denominator we have a 35 here. So I need to make equalize the denominator as 280. So we need to multiply with 8. 35, if you multiply with 8, you will get the LCM in the denominator. So multiply this fraction with 8, numerator, denominator. And here 3/8 is there. So if you want to make it as a 280 in the denominator, you need to multiply with the 35. 8 8s are 64. 35 8s already we worked out 280. 3 35s are 105 and 8 35s are already we worked out 280. So now the denominators are equal. So let's compare the numerators. So 64 is less than the 105. So 105 is greater, right? So this side you should open. So final answer is what? So 3/4 of 1/2 is greater. So this is your greater fraction. So this is also 2 marks question. Next question they have given 625 times -45 plus -625 times 55. Find the product using suitable properties, they said. So here we simply not multiply. We have to use the property, some property. So it's looking like A into B plus A into C. So A times of B plus C. Distributive property. It is called distributive property. So here also 625, here also 625. Let's take it as a common, means put it outside. Then what is left here? -45. Here only positive 625 we kept. So -1 is there. -1 into 55 is -55. Like symbols are added. Same symbol follows. So I have added this. These two together gives 100 and same symbol follows. Negative symbol follows. So the answer is 625 into, bracket is nothing but into. -100 is -625 100. So this is the answer. Fifth question. We have given this. This is X. Sorry, this is Y. This is X. And this is 150. Two lines are intersecting here. So find X and Y without measuring actually. So this 150, first of all, this Y is equal to, angle Y is equal to 150. Why? Because vertically opposite angles. They both are. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Next, these two angles are lying on the same straight line. So these two together are 180 degrees. So angle x plus angle y is equal to 180 degrees. You can write as a linear pair also. Linear pair. Or angles on the straight line also. Anything is the reason. So x we need to find out and y we already know 150, 180. So x is equal to 180. If you transpose 150 this side, negative 150. So x is equal to 180 minus 150 gives 30 degrees. Next, sixth question. Write an algebraic form. 5 is subtracted from 2 times of x. So 5 is subtracted from which number? 2 times of x. 2 times of x means 2 into x. 2 times of x. 5 is subtracted. So subtraction symbol is minus 5. So this carries 2 marks simply. Very easy. Seventh question. Draw the lines of symmetry. So a rectangle given here and so this is what they have given. We need to draw lines of symmetry. First of all, we can do a horizontal symmetry, then vertical symmetry. So they looks like same. If you make an 2 equal parts here, they will have a same parts. And here also diagonally also we can make. And here also we can make. So this figure will have a 4 lines of symmetry. So this is called as multiple lines of symmetry. So these are all 2 mark questions. Let's see section 2. 4 mark questions. Eighth question. Out of 12,000 voters in a constituency, 75% voted. Find the number of people who did not voted. So 75% are voted. So how many are not voted? Just 25% are not voted. So you need to find out 25% of 12,000 are how much? So percent symbol if you remove, you will get 100. Of means into 12,000. 2 zeros, 2 zeros get cancelled. 25 12s are 300 and 1 0. So 3,000. 3,000 voters are not voted. 3,000 are not voted. Next, 9th question. Divide 20 apples in the ratio of 2:3. 20 apples, 2:3 ratio. So total how many parts? 2 plus 3 means 5 parts. So 5 parts is equal to 20. So 1 part is equal to 20 over 5. So each part is equal to how much? 4 parts. So now 2 parts are shared to Navya. 3 parts are shared to Bhavya. 2 parts are shared. So 2 into each part is 4. 2 4s are 8. So 8 apples are for Navya. 3 parts are shared. 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. So 12 apples are to Bhavya. Next, 10th question. If the circumference of the circle is 264 centimeters, find the radius. Circumference of the circle formula is 2 pi r, which is given as 264 centimeters. You need to find out radius in that. We know the pi value, 22 over 7. R we need to find out. Let's keep it as the same variable. So only R we want. So let's keep this left side. Remaining everything we will transpose to the right side. So here multiplication of 2 will become the division. A fraction, when you transpose the other side, it will become a reciprocal. So 7 over 22. So let's simplify this. 11 times 2 11s are 22. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 11 1s are 11. 11 1s are 11 here. 2 is a remainder 22. 11 2s are 22. Next 2 1s are 2. 2 6 are 12. So R is equal to how much? 42 centimeters. So this is the radius. One more question. 11th question. Express 1250 in exponential form. Exponential form can be done by prime factorization method. So let's take this number is ending with a 0, so we can do with a 5. 5 2 is a 10. 2 is remainder 25. 5 5 is a 25. 0. Again 0 is there, so we can take 5. 5 5 is a 25 and 0. 5 10 is a 50. 5 2 is a 10. And 2 1s are 2. So this can be written as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 power 4 into 2 power 1, simply 2. So this is the exponential form. 12th question. Triangle, there are 3 angles, find the angles. X plus 10 is one angle they have given. X plus 20 is other angle they have given. And X plus 30 is the third angle. Find the X and find all those 3 angles. So we know we will use here Anglesome property. What is Anglesome property? Sum of 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So let's do sum. Sum means nothing but addition. So if we add these 3 angles, we should get 180 degrees. So the reason is Anglesome property, ASP, Anglesome property. You should write full form of this. So let's add the like terms. X plus X, 2X, 2X plus X, 3X. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 plus 30, 60, which is equal to 180. So 3X is equal to 180 minus 60. So 3X is equal to 180 minus 60 gives you 120. So now X is equal to 120. Here it is multiplication. If you transpose, it will become a division. So X is equal to 40 degrees. So X is equal to 40. We can find out all the 3 angles. First angle is X plus 10. 40 plus 10 is 50. Another angle is X plus 20. X is 40. 40 plus 20 is 60. Another angle is X plus 30. Means 40 plus 30 is 70 degrees. So the 3 angles are 50, 60, 70 degrees. So 12th question also completed. One more is there. 13th question. In a right angle triangle, one of the acute angle. So let's pick up the right angle triangle. We all know this is 90 degrees. Right angle triangle means one of the acute angle is double the other acute angle. So there are 2 acute angles in this. So let's take it as one angle as X. So other is double the other acute angle. So double the acute angle, 2X. So find them. Again, we will use here Anglesome property. Sum of the 3 angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So let's add 2X plus 90 plus X is equal to 180 by Anglesome property, ASP. 2X plus X is 3X. 3X plus 90 equal to 180. So 3X is equal to 180 minus 90. Transpose this 90 other side. So 3X is equal to 180 minus 90 is how much? 90. So X is equal to, we'll transpose 3 other side, 90 over 3. So which is nothing but 3 3s are 9. So 30. So X is equal to 30 degrees. Means one acute angle is 30 degrees. Other acute angle is 2 into 30. 2 30 is 60 degrees. So the angles are 30 degrees, comma 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Hence it is a right angle triangle 90 degrees. So this is the section 2 questions. Now let's do section 3 questions also. 14 there. Length of a rectangle is 3 more than its breadth and its perimeter is 54 meters. Find its length and breadth. First, length of a rectangle is 3 more than its breadth. We don't know the breadth. So let breadth is equal to B, meters. Hence perimeter is in meters. Let's take it this also meters. Then what could be the length now? 3 more. More means add. 3. Add 3 to the breadth. Meters. Given perimeter is equal to, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to, they have a given in the question 54 meters. We need to find out the what is length and what is breadth. So we all know the perimeter of a rectangle formula. 2 times of L plus B. There are 2 lengths, 2 breadths in a rectangle. So you need to add all those 4 sets, you will get the perimeter. So 2 times of L plus B, which is equal to 54. Now substitute L is B plus 3 and B is the same as B, is equal to 54. So 2 times of B plus B is 2B plus 3, which is equal to 54. 2 2s are 4B plus 2 3s is 6, 54. Transpose this 6 to other side. So it will become negative 6. 54 minus 6. How much it is? 4B is equal to 54 minus 6 is 48. So B is equal to 48 over 4. Then 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So B is equal to 12 meters. We know the length is 3 more. So 12 plus 3. So it is 15 meters. We got the length, we got the breadth. So this is 8 marks question. Very simple. Next, internal choice question also we'll see. An empty swimming pool is to be filled up to 9/10 of its capacity. Only we need to fill 9/10. It takes half an hour time to fill 1/10 of the pool. How much time it will take to fill? First of all, they have a given time here and also capacity here. They have it took that half an hour to fill 1/10 of the pool, 1/10 of a pool. So if you want to fill up 9/10 of the pool, how much time it takes? How much time it takes is the question. So now 1/10, 9/10. So the pool capacity is much increasing. So if you want to fill a big pool, swimming pool, so you need more time than this. So both are raising. This is also raising and this is also time also increasing. So if you want to fill up the big pool capacity, then you require much time. So both are called directly proportional. So simply you can do the cross multiplication. I'm putting this question mark on the left side. So first I will write this 1/10 is equal to 1/2 this into this cross multiplication 9/10. So our aim is to find out the question mark. Keep it left side only. Transpose this 1/10 to the other side. So 1/10 is a fraction. If you transpose, it reciprocates 10/1. Simply 10. So 10 get cancelled 9/2. So 9/2. 9/2 can be written as 2 4s are 8. 8 gone means 1 is remainder 1/2 hours. So time could be given as a 4.5 hours. So we will not represent any fraction into improper fraction. So let's represent in a mixed fraction so that you will get to know hours. Next question. 15th question. So if you are not understanding, replay my video, pause it and replay. So 15th, a parallelogram given here. Parallelogram properties are what? Opposite lines are parallel. They will never meet anywhere. So ABCD is a parallelogram. In the question itself, they have given AB is 20 centimeters. AD is 24 centimeters. And DE and BF are the altitudes of these two parallelograms. Altitudes means height. Perpendiculars, that's the perpendiculars they have drawn. These two are heights of this parallelogram. So find DE and BF is the question. We all know area of a parallelogram. What is area of a parallelogram? Area of parallelogram is equal to base times height. Okay. So area of a parallelogram, they have given area is 480 centimeters square. Already area given, then why to write area of a parallelogram formula? We are using this as a clue and finding this height. So area of a parallelogram given as 480 and we know the formula B into H. So B into H is equal to 480. This is area given. This is our formula. So both areas we made equal. So B into H is equal to 8. B we know. Let's take AB as a base. Then 20. Height is what for a? This base means this will be the height D. This we need to find out. So let's keep it a left side only and transpose the 20 other side. 480 over 20. So 24. So D is equal to 24 or centimeters. Now we need to find out as well BF also in the same way. So BF is equal to what it becomes? Same 480 over the other side is 24. So it gives 20. If you cancel, BF is equal to 24. 20 is a 480. 20 centimeters. That's it. This is one of the 8 marks question. Next one is a construction question. I will just sketch the rough figure. Triangle ABC whose sides A, B, B, C, angle B they have a given. So let's take angle B 70 degrees means it should be in the base part. So if we take AB, which is 5 centimeters, draw a line. Then keep your protractor here and construct 70 degrees. 70 degrees means probably like this. 70 degrees we need to construct. This is 70 degrees. Next, BC is 6 centimeters. So measure 6 centimeters and cut an arc. And where the arc and line are meeting, name it as a C. So this BC, 6 centimeters. Then join AC. So this is our required triangle. In the same way with the ruler and protractor, you need to construct this. And also you need to mention the steps. Like draw a line segment AB is equal to 5 centimeters. Second point, B as a center. Keep the protractor and measure 70 degrees and extend the line. Next, third point, B as a center with 6 centimeters, measure 6 centimeters and cut the arc on the line. Fourth point, where the line and the arc meeting, name it as a C. Now join CA. So this is our required triangle ABC. So if you write the steps in construction, you can score 8 marks. 16th A question. Subtract the sum of two algebraic expressions from another expression. Let's do addition first. Sum means addition. So easy question. Y square x square minus 3xy minus 2y square. So x square plus x square is 2x square plus 2xy minus 3xy. Unlike symbols are subtracted and greater number sign follows. So this is greater xy. Here also unlike. So subtract 2y minus y is y square. So greater number sign follows. So this is the addition. Next, this sum should be subtracted from this. So from should be written first. 3x square minus xy minus y square and 2x square minus xy minus y square. I'm sorry, y square. So this has to be written here. So subtraction means negative. So when you are subtracting an algebraic expression, all the signs will change. So this will become minus, plus, plus. Minus will become plus, minus will become plus. So 3x square minus 2x square is simply x square. Minus xy plus xy cancel. Minus y square plus y square cancel. So the answer is just x square. Very easy. And as well, B question also easy if we know the exponent laws. This is what question B. So this has to be simplified. So we all know, if we have seen that, we can remember that exponential law as a power n whole power n. Formula is a power n into n. So one power is there, whole power is there. So let's multiply x power ac by x power bc into x power ba by x power ca into x power cb by x power ab. So here also x power ac, here also ca cancel, bc, cb cancel, x power ba, ab cancel. So nothing is left, means 1 into 1 into 1 is simply 1. So this is just 2-step sum given for 8 marks. And the last 2 sums are bar chart questions. So those are very easy. So you can easily put up on the graph paper. Okay, children, hope this paper and given with the solutions will be helpful for your academic score. Keep watching, and for any doubts, you can subscribe my channel and follow.